just a small town girl.
No!
Living in a lonely world.
We can fight. We can fight. We can fight. Just go disrupt them.
All 30 seconds.
I'm gonna ulti. Get Zeren, get Zeren. Trash.
And Raiden. Lucian. Kill Lucian. Okay, TP. Shut out. Okay, she's cancelled. Okay, nice. Push mid.
Only gonna hit Kevin now, and that's not what they want. Brilliant, Solar Flare gets 3. This could be a whiteboard for Millennium. Zaza's gonna get his blood well popped here any second. They've killed off Overpower. Celeber is gonna go down, he's right in the middle.
Be in hip. Get in hip. I have even TP up in case.
Kobe, I'll chase. Okay.
You have the same chair at home. How can you not know?
No, it's not the same. It's much closer than us.
Agree.
We have epic quality IKEA chairs from Sweden.
Oh, Sophie needs to be careful.
Oh, the hook's coming in. This is going to be first blood. Chunk is going to take it. 27-40 into this game. Mr. Rolls also going low at the back. They need to get away. It's a great ulti out of Wicked, and that will be the second kill.
He posted it, the pentakills for all the ladies out there, and then I check his comments, he had full ladies on the comments. Yes!
This is spirit.
Stone comes out from Nick and Reckless. Is he going to go down? There's a protection from Oriana. Oh, no! He took the lantern, he managed to get away, and they get the shutdown on Nick. Diamond goes down as well.